In order to catch a trade like this, you'll need more than one reason for the setup to be in your favor. Most importantly, candlesticks. Each candle tells a story, and I want that to be instilled into your head because it's just a game of buyers versus sellers. Who's in control? Pay attention to where the wicks are forming at on these next candles, guys. Look at the wicks. They're forming to the bottom, indicating that buyers are trying to step in. Without even looking at the volume, which is a cheat code, look at the candles. The candles itself are literally telling you they're trying to go to and push to the upside. Now to break it down even further, I'm going to go out my way and explain each candle that forms to show you guys the strongest forming candle and how each candle tells a story. To start it off real briefly, the reason why we even started rejecting here at the top of this trend is because of that really strong shooting star candle indicating that sellers did step in by a big amounts. Buyers did try to step in one last time and take it above the trend, but they ultimately lost by the next selling candle, which indicates a big fat bearish engulfing, which just means the price is going to continue on to the downside until there's further buyer momentum. And this is the most important part, guys. This is how you spot reversals before they even happen, and it's by understanding candles and reading them, because the wicks to the underside indicates more hammers forming. It just indicates that buyers are trying to step in. Now let's talk about these few three candles that just formed above the 9 EMA and talk about how strong they are and why they represent strength to the upside. Now the wicks is really important in this case because the wicks are underneath the candles, representing that buyers stepping in and they want to take the price up to the upside. And like I mentioned earlier, this is how you spot reversals, guys, because it's the wicks that is really important here and understanding how to read each candle. These candles right here are called doji, indecision type candles, hammer forming candles, and it's just representing that buyers do want to step in. And that's all it is, guys. That's how simple trading really is. Now imagine when you add EMAs or volume or trend lines or support and resistance, you're going to be a killer. That's all it is, guys. My favorite candle of all time is the one that's forming right here, and it's called a hammer. Not only is it forming right on the 9 EMA, which just makes it even more better, but that is this really strong candle indicating that buyers are stepping in at the last moment, closing the price real tight and close to the opening price. And that's one strong example of why you need to understand candlesticks as well as many other things in order to find an A1 trade setup in your favor.